दीनो मोरिया को हर साल आप जाओ आ जाओ, कभी तो श्रीलंका में रहते हैं, कभी एड शूट, कभी कुछ, बट फाइनली जो है मेरे दोस्त रुचि ने पकड़ ही लिया इस बार उनको। थैंक्स टू रुचि, ऑफ कोर्स राजेश जी तो है ही, राजेश जी को और कितना बार थैंक्स बोलेंगे। थैंक्स टू दीनो मोरिया, इट्स ऑल योर्स।
Thank you.
वेलकम।
So well, I would request Rajesh ji to formally welcome Dino Moria, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have the bouquet, please?
Hi.
So एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाएं Dino के लिए. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. And can we request Raghav to please also step up? Rajesh ji to welcome Raghav Nayyar as well. Raghav, please. So well, Raghav Nayyar is the face for the Bhojpuri films. Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां Raghav जी के लिए. So Dino जी आज आप यहाँ पे हमारे साथ हैं. One address for all our lovely audience जो हमारी स्क्रीनिंग सुबह से लेके शाम तक देख रही थी, और अभी भी यशपाल जी की मूवी खत्म हुई है और क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर राउंड चल रहा था. So just one address for our lovely audience here.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
सुबह मैं कॉलेज गया था, वहाँ काफी लोग कमजोर बैठे थे. मैंने कहा लंच खाए, बोला हाँ. फिर दोबारा मैंने बोला गुड आफ्टरनून, तुमने चिल्लाया. So good evening.
Good evening.
अब मस्त लग रहा है. Firstly, thank you all for having me here for this 5th International Film Festival, and I feel such platforms are very good to help the film industry grow. चाहे वो North India में, South India, East India, West India, जहाँ भी हो. I think this kind of platforms always help artists, help producers, help directors to come and show their work, and inspires and gives lots of young people inspiration to make new and better films. जैसे यशपाल जी ने कहा कि अभी 50 सेकंड में एक पिक्चर बन सकती है. कहानी हो, आइडिया हो, you can make a film. अगर आप काबिल हो, you can definitely do it. पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है, ज़्यादा पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need an idea and you need conviction. And platforms like this give people inspiration to make movies. So I'm happy to be here, and I couldn't watch any films with you all. But how were the films this year?
एक्सीलेंट,
अच्छी थी पिक्चर?
बहुत बढ़िया.
हाँ. सबसे बेस्ट कौन सी थी? कौन सी?
अभी देखिए सर.
अभी जो देखी?
काकपंथ. जी हाँ, श्वेता पाडा की और यशपाल जी की है.
शॉर्ट फिल्म है?
शॉर्ट फिल्म 40 minutes, yeah.
40 मिनट शॉर्ट नहीं है.
Short
No.
नहीं, exactly, yeah. So
थोड़ी सी लंबी, थोड़ी सी लंबी.
Yeah, it's a feature.
शॉर्ट से ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
Mid short.
Mid short. Okay, very good. But happy to be here and to help promote the Dehradun Film Festival, International Film Festival. Any international film movies were
Yeah,
shown?
3 movies we have. One Nepalese, Anagat.
आइए. जी.
We had shown 3 movies, international movies. One is Nepalese called Anagar.
Ji.
Then Japanese film Hiroshima Carp, which we are showing tomorrow. And there was a Chinese movie today, which also played like.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री से कोई
हमारे इंडस्ट्री थे, in the sense one guy he made like Indian guy but he had
हाँ,
Australian
Indian
connection also.
जी.
तो उनकी भी एक फिल्म है द रन जो हम शाम को दिखाने वाले हैं अभी. वो
अच्छा.
मतलब इंडो
That's an Australian director. That's called The Run. Anupam Sharma.
अच्छा.
He's based in Australia. Right.
So yeah, see, I mean, you all get to see films which we don't even get to see. It's through the film festivals.
Absolutely, and we would also like to share. We started off with a film for visually abled people, students, in the morning yesterday,
Okay.
and they were it was a house full, and it was the first time in any of the film festivals any such film has been showcased. MS Dhoni was specially dubbed for them so that they can understand the complete film.
क्या बात है.
So
the film MS Dhoni was dubbed for the visually impaired people. Like you can see when he's bowling, when he's you can enjoy all these things.
जी.
But they can't. So that's why there is a special version that अभी MS Dhoni ने ये कर रहा है, अभी जेब से
कमाल.
कोई निकल रहा है, अभी bowling कर रहे हैं, अभी बैटिंग कर रहे हैं. इस तरह की मतलब जो है वो था उनके लिए, और they all have enjoyed, thoroughly
यार आप
enjoyed.
सभी को जोरदार तालियां because you have done a fantastic job. So thank you for having me here, and let's continue the festival and have fun.
So thank you so much, Dino, for being here and giving us motivation to move forward. Thank you so much. And before we close off, so we want to acknowledge Raghav's effort for being here. जो हम तुलाज में Dino जी को दे दिया था. So we have a small token of love for Raghav Nayyar. I would request Rajesh Sharma ji to please hand over this to Raghav Nayyar.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Raghav. So Raghav is a young talent in Bhojpuri films, ladies and gentlemen, and wish him luck for the forthcoming films of Raghav. So best of luck, Raghav. And before we sign off, would you like to say something?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर एंड मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा कि यशपाल जी ने जो बोला कि हम आर्टिस्ट के लिए कंटेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है और अगर हमारा कंटेंट अच्छा है तो ऑडियंस विल बी देयर टू सपोर्ट अस ऑलवेज इफ यू एग्री थैंक यू
So sir, Dino sir, we have a small exhibition also going on. We have a showcase, a stall for you, a gift, a token of love for you. So from them, ma'am, can you also tell us the name of your stall? Can you also tell us the name of your stall? Name of your brand. Name of your brand.
My brand is Mughal Shawls by Shawl Store.
Mughal Shawls by Shawl Store. Thank you so much. Well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's show our love with a big round of applause for Dino Moria and Raghav Nair. Thank you so much for being here.